Well, so here's what we know about last night's storm at this point. Drew did touch on it a little bit, but severe weather did cause damage all across a wide area of southeastern Wisconsin, including Milwaukee, and some of the heaviest we've seen so far in two Dodge County communities, Mayville and Juneau. We are waiting for official confirmation, as Drew mentioned, that tornadoes did touch down, but the damage we've seen would strongly suggest that there indeed was tornadoes. Thousands of people lost power. Crews have restored a lot of customers since then. And while there were reports of people hurt, no deaths have been reported, and the injuries are apparently non-life threatening. And tonight we have team coverage for you from Dodge County. Dua Israr has the latest on the storm cleanup in Mayville. But we want to start tonight with Ellie Nakamoto-White live in Juneau for us tonight. And Ellie, how are things out there now the day after the storm?
Good evening, Jessup. I'm currently standing on Main Street here in Juneau, which is where behind me a lot of the storm damage took place. But I will say things have calmed down a bit. We've been here all day. We've been watching neighbors and workers come through and basically just clean up the mess from that storm last night. After the storm comes the cleanup for neighbors in Juneau.
I've lived here all my life and have never seen this much devastation.
Following the heavy winds.
I have small kids, so it was kind of scary at first.
That swept through the area Thursday night.
It got really loud. Sounded like a train. You were standing right next to a train. It was very, very loud. And then just a lot of really big booms.
Lana and Ken live across the street from each other.
Knowing your neighbors is the biggest thing.
And spent hours Friday helping their neighbor, Nick, clear his front yard from his tree.
This majestic looking tree. It was so awesome.
That had stood for 150 years.
Beautiful tree. So sad to see it gone.
Just miles down the road, other homes suffered, with roofs ripped off and more trees uprooted.
Another window shattered.
But for this small town, it's their community's big heart that'll keep them going.
The neighborhood that we have, you know, everybody helping and chipping in, it's really nice. I mean, that's why you have friends and family and a good neighborhood, everybody helping each other.
Wisconsin officials also came by today to survey the damage, including members from the National Weather Service and Governor Tony Evers. Back to you.